communities.
How would you characterize the need here in Cheyenne and in Wyoming?
I think we have a lot of needs. Suicide is an issue, especially in Wyoming. I recently lost a friend to suicide.
A friend that Justin Tripp served with during his 13 years in the U.S. Navy. Now Tripp is the state commander for the VFW.
That transition into the civilian life, that's where we lose a lot of people to suicide.
The veteran suicide rate in Wyoming is 50% higher than the rest of the country. In Cheyenne, there's a small VA center dedicated just to mental health. On February 24th, the office manager was fired. A Marine veteran, she was one of the thousands of probationary federal employees fired by email for their performance. But a recent review obtained by NBC News was glowing. Her manager writing, "As a veteran herself, she listens with empathy. She is the first person our clients come into contact with."
I would be concerned with positions that are frontline positions that touch veterans every day.
She was at the front door.
Exactly, and that's where I would have concern.
The politics in Wyoming are pretty clear-cut. 71% of the cowboy state voted for Donald Trump, but the veterans we've been speaking to say they don't want this to be about politics, and with cuts to the VA looming, some of them are feeling a real sense of unease.
Last week, 2 federal judges ruled the firing of probationary federal employees was unlawful. But the VA has set a goal of cutting 60 to 80,000 more jobs.
We're going to accomplish this without making cuts to health care or benefits to veterans and VA beneficiaries.
Tripp says he would welcome more efficiency, but he hopes decision makers will visit Wyoming first.
I think getting that personal touch would make a difference.
The government, he says, needs to honor its contract with veterans.
Why is it this country's responsibility to take care of those veterans?
Because we served when called. We raised our hand when other people wouldn't.
Stephanie Gosk, NBC News, Cheyenne, Wyoming.
In 60 seconds, big changes if you collect Social Security. Why new and some existing recipients may need to get their identities checked in person.
Stay ahead of your child's moderate to severe eczema with Dupixent as they welcome the feeling of touch with clear skin and less itch. The #1 prescribed biologic by dermatologists and allergists helps heal their skin from within. Severe allergic reactions can occur. Get help right away for face, mouth, tongue, or throat swelling, wheezing, or trouble breathing. Tell your doctor of new or worsening eye problems like eye pain, vision changes, or blurred vision, joint aches and pain, or a parasitic infection. Don't change or stop asthma or other medicines without talking to your doctor. Ask your child's doctor about Dupixent.
Lactate is 100% real milk, just without the lactose. Delicious, too. Just ask my old friend Kevin.
Nothing like enjoying a cold